Diana Willett. How are you? Today we're making delicious cornbread muffins, and you're going to love it. Now, what I do is I buy this mix. I order it from Amazon.com. It's for people with a gluten-free diet, but of course I eat it too. It's delicious. So, first thing we're going to do, put the oven on 425 degrees. Alright, open up the package. Throw it in here. Comes out delicious. Quarter of a cup, no, 4 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, 4 tablespoons of butter, just pour it right in there. Just melt it. What else? 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. Or 2 jumbo eggs, whatever you have in the house, fine. Wash my hands. And 1.25 cups of milk. I put half and half. I like in half and half better. Now we're going to mix it. It's very easy to do. Just use your hands here to mix and don't use any mixer. Put this away. It's very easy. Break that egg up. How's everybody today? Super Bowl. Everybody's watching it. It takes about 15 minutes to make this. And then tomorrow I'm going to make a brunch using this pancake mix, and you're going to love it. I'm going to make Spam, and I'm going to have some fresh pineapple. Delicious brunch. Don't mix this too much. Alright, next. Put this over here. Muffin tins. Spray it with Pam. Okay. Go. Don't forget, buy my book and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fill up as much as I can, and I don't know how many I'm going to be able to make here. I make big ones. It's 5 muffins. Want to make more, you got to have another box of this cornbread mix. Use it all up. It's all very expensive. Okay, let me go take a towel here. Clean it up a little bit. Alright, now put it out in the oven 15 minutes. It's hot, hot, hot. Woo! Whoa. Okay, 15 minutes. We'll be back and I'll show you the finished product. Bye-bye.